Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be swatching one specific nail polish color again in my new nail polish of the week video series. So yeah, definitely grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me while watching this video and let me know what are you wearing on your nails today. But if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But yeah, let's just start right off the bat with some clean nails and grab your base coat. I'm actually using one by Trended Up, which is a German brand. I have gotten this one back in Germany as well when I was there. I think like a bit over a year ago. I was actually visiting my longtime best friend of like 18 plus years already. I love you, girl, so much. But when I was there, I actually splurged. I bought like 50 plus polishes as well as a ton of base and top coats, and I had to try out Trended Up. And this is actually a base coat that I've been really loving lately. It has a creamy kind of formula. It applies really effortlessly and it actually dries pretty fast as well. I do feel like this one prevents from staining and discoloration, but not like 100%, because you know, sometimes polishes are just too opaque and just too dark, like highly pigmented, that they just stain through whatever. Of course, I already wear a gel polish base and top coat, not only to prevent from staining, but also to make my nails even more tough when doing my daily super manual job. So that also pretty much helps me with any discoloration as well. But yeah, after your base is fully dry, you want to go in with your nail polish of choice. I am going to use one by Starrily. This one is actually called Fractal and it is kind of like a collab between Starrily and Kelli Marissa. Definitely check out Kelly's channel as well. She also has a vlog channel, which I love to watch. She has some really good swatch videos of different brands, so definitely check her out as well. If you aren't subscribed to her already, definitely do so. But this color is so gorgeous. I purchased it at hypnoticpolish.com. I think I got it for like 12 euros or something like that. And it's just so gorgeous. It is like a black, or at least a very dark gray, kind of jelly translucent kind of base, and there are a ton of glitters and shimmers and flakies in here. As you can see here, there's a lot of green, there is some holographic glitter and shimmer going on in there. It's just a lot, and every single angle that I looked at this polish in, it looked different, but very awesome, no matter how you looked at it and in what lighting, because there are so many like little particles and glitters and shimmers that it catches the light even if there's like almost no lighting going on. It is just really gorgeous, and especially after applying that second layer. This polish is, by the way, opaque in 2 coats. I wasn't expecting that, especially seeing that first coat being quite sheer still. I was really amazed by how quickly opaque it was, even on my long natural nails. Because usually on my natural nails and the length that they have, for sheer kind of polishes, I need at least 3 coats for my natural smile line to not peek through anymore. So I was really happy to see that this one was like 95% opaque with just 2 coats. And because it is a shimmery, glittery, flaky kind of polish, it does dry pretty fast as well. Of course, if you are quite new to wearing nail polishes, applying them, or even talking about nail art stuff, you might not work as fast yet, but no worries. Practice makes perfect, and making mistakes is only a good thing when it comes to nail art, because you can only learn from that and just, you know, just look back at it after a while and see how far you've come already and how good and how far your progress is already when it comes to application of nail polishes. So yeah, make mistakes, it is just nail polish, and at the end of the day you can just remove it if you don't like it. So yeah, this polish, I love it so much, but because it dries pretty quickly, you do want to work a little bit faster than usual when you're applying every single layer. Of course, it's really nice that it does dry pretty quickly because you don't have to wait like half an hour before you can go in with your next layer. I think I waited like 5 minutes and it was pretty much ready for that second coat already. So yeah, you really don't have to wait a super long time. One tip that I would like to share with you guys, because this is quite a dark polish, just be careful with your application. You don't want to over flood your cuticles all too much, because cleaning up dark pigmented polishes like this one is such a hazard and such a hassle actually, because it just gets everywhere and you will need like a lot of cleaning brush skills to get it all out of the cuticles and the sidewalls, the skin next to your nail and so on, because it is quite a dark polish. So keep an eye out for not to have too much product on the brush while doing your application, because I would rather recommend for you guys to just apply an extra coat, an extra like thin layer, than to really slap it on thick and goopy, because it will become a hot mess. But yeah, I really love this color. As you can see here with that second coat, except for the pinky, I had a little bit of a very light touch on that one. So on the outer tip of my pinky it is not completely opaque, but the other nails are pretty much 95% opaque. I really love it, and I just really love the fact that there is like gold and green and all those different kind of colors in there, especially within that holographic kind of glitter that's in here. It is so gorgeous, it is so magical. And even though green is my least favorite colors to wear on my nails, I pretty much love green glitters, flakies and so on. It just gives a little bit of like a magical, I don't know, just a vampy magical effect. I just really like it. But once your polish is completely dry, you want to go in with your top coat. I'm just going to use a random one by Orly that I have sitting on my work desk. I have like 10 towards 15 different top coats on my work desk like all the time. So sometimes when I really don't have a specific one that I want to use, I just randomly pick one. And today it was this one by Orly. I have received this top coat from a PR company, so thank you so much for sending it out to me. I'm still pretty much trying it out to see if I really like it, like a lot or maybe just a little. Like, is it a really good one? I'm not sure yet. Is it meh? I'm not sure yet either, you know. I'm still just trying it out to see if I really like it when it comes to glittery polishes like this one, or if I like it more for the creamy ones, you know. Sometimes top coats just work really well for one specific type of polish and not for the other, so that is pretty much what I'm trying out to see while working with this one. But yeah, this was the entire new nail polish of the week video already. Definitely let me know what you think about this color. Do you have it in your own collection? And of course, definitely let me know what you are wearing on your nails yourself at the moment as well, or maybe what color you are applying at the moment while watching this video together with me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And as usual, I hope to see you in my next video as well.